It's your own happiness. Don't think about who's gonna judge us and who's gonna think about us. If you wanna do it, just do it.
Today it's so lovely to meet all of you guys despite all the MCO restrictions, our MCO restrictions. I think we sanitize and we prepare this place all the time because we are doing treatments every day. Okay, so I would also like to thank my staff without whom none of this would be possible. You know, all my journey over the last 30 years, even as an OBGYN, when I was delivering babies and I was pregnant myself, my staff were the one pulled the baby together with me. So always depending on the staff, on good staff, okay? About the Shining Bright series, I think it's time for all of us to shine now because we've been very quiet, especially the last 6 months. It suddenly hit us and all of us were hit in different ways. Business-wise, career-wise, work-wise, family-wise, in different ways. So I think as long as we are healthy, I think we should shine the brightest that we can. So I have chosen like 4 important part of the treatments that will make us shine bright. To me, shining bright is about being beautiful on the inside as well. That's why our tagline for over many decades has been beauty is from within. So we always focus on well-being of the mind, the psyche from inside. And that is why it's so important to make our skin also shine bright, because if we look at ourselves and we see blemishes that we don't like, if we love our blemishes, that is fine. But if we don't like it and we want to do something, then we have to go to the best treatments that is possible. It's now no more like those days where everything had to be very expensive, everything has to be surgical, every laser that someone went to improve their skin, they had to wear Vaseline and sit in the house for a month, and then there were a lot of side effects and so on. So the hand-picked treatments that I do, and I generally do most of these treatments on a day-to-day basis on my patients, is actually cutting-edge technologies, and it's my concepts as well. Okay, let's talk about the first one we'll be doing demo on, which will be the gold laser. So, okay, what is gold laser? I'm not going to go into the scientific theories and all, but those of you who want to write about it, please contact me. I'll give you a lot of before, afters. I'll give you the scientific FDA approval. So the idea is, now there is a lot of mask acne. You guys heard about it, I'm sure. So mask acne is because of the occlusion from the mask we are wearing with the humidity. We are starting to have a lot of acne going on now. And then that acne leaves a lot of blemishes and so on and so forth. So basically what I do for this is to make the acne disappear as well as make the skin shine and be bright. So basically what I'm doing is I'm using gold nanoparticles which will be implanted into the skin, which you will see later, which is FDA approved product. And then we will use the laser, which is called the photothermal therapy. We will use the laser to stimulate the gold inside. So the magnetic effect, you know, the live ionic magnetic effects from the gold with the laser will cause the sebaceous gland to go bye-bye, and at the same time it will also improve the skin structure, texture. There's rejuvenation of the skin. Okay, that is number one. And then of course we have our favorite over the last few years is our Shining Bright treatment using a dual LO laser treatment. Again, something that works universally well for melasma and for acne as well. So melasma is a condition where you have patchy pigments on the skin, which is a chronic condition, sometimes inherited over generations and sometimes made worse nowadays by a lot of, sorry to say, beauty products. Okay, things that should be making us more beautiful, they promise to do that, but when people start using it, the skin does not shine, it just goes red and irritated, and people who start using this could never stop these products, basically because it peeled the skin so much that it hurt the skin, and the skin had a lot of what we call in medical talk PIH, or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which is again a very difficult condition to treat. So with the dual LO system, we are able to gently remove the pigment and also boost our skin cells, which we call the fibroblasts, which is the foundation for all good collagen to grow. So basically we are supporting the skin when they come with a skin burn, because almost every week we have few patients who come with burnt skin from beauty products itself, and occasionally by the wrong kind of laser treatments as well. So we are able to heal their skin and support their skin, and on the spot the skin will revert to beautiful glow. You will see that here as well. And together with that, for those who are trying this treatment, there's also a latest facial treatment which is for beauty of the skin as well as for well-being, because it's an oxygen dome. You will breathe in pure 99% oxygen inside, and the skin will be enriched with the oxygen after a laser. Okay, so this is, we are going to showcase that to you, and then we'll go on to anti-aging. Okay, I'm not young anymore. I'm not like Priya. Okay,
But look younger than me.
no. Okay, so we know that it's so important to maintain beauty. And now again, if we do things in time, we will be able to escape the knife eventually. That is the hope. Okay, so basically, why would we want to stay saggy throughout our life, and then suddenly one fine day we couldn't tolerate it, or it's threatening our emotional well-being in different ways, and then we will start to look for very strong treatments. So now we have Profio, which is the latest treatment in Malaysia. First time in Malaysia we introduced this to you guys today. So basically, I'm sure many of you heard about fillers, right? Okay. Profio is hyaluronic acid, which is component of our skin, but it is not a filler. It's not going to make you look bulky or huge. I don't know about you guys whether you heard, but many of my patients are freaked out about fillers right now, because you can see people walking around with those pillow faces, overdone, So this Profio, I have developed a technique of how we can enrich with this very specialized hyaluronic acid, which flows down, supporting the whole skin. So it is just 5 points I injected, very small, very micro dots of it, only 5 points, right? It's not like PRP or anything where you have to inject the whole face. So it's just 5 points, but the technology is so advanced, and my method of doing it is so advanced. I make the whole face have some lift. I'll give hydration to the whole face, which will make your skin shine, bright, lifted, less wrinkles, more collagen, more elastin, which will support our skin for the long time. And then finally, we have my favorite procedure, which is the Aptos threads. Many of them go threading. Oh, it's so dangerous. It will cause a lot of dimpling and distortion of the face or pull look of the face. Not true. We will show you later how, by using the very advanced, this is a hyaluronic acid thread, yeah? So basically the other threads that's generally used in the market is a surgical thread. We call it PDO. Okay, you heard of the Korean threads. I'm sure many of you heard. They are PDO. They just last 3 months and gone in the next 3 months. Plus it's causing a lot of scarring inside as well, which is very hard to repair later on, because I suffer with it. Sometimes people come after doing it elsewhere, and then it's so stuck and scarred inside. So we always point the way for people to find the correct products. So this Aptos thread, for which I'm the lead trainer, been there for many years, but recently we have also started training doctors in Malaysia, and this thread can last you about 4 years. It's made of 3 potent collagen stimulators, and it doesn't cause any distortion or any downtime. So immediately you get a lift, and because it stays 4 years and the hyaluronic acid is dispersing into your skin all the time, your skin also shines. Not just lifting, but it also shines, it glows, supports the skin. We have seen remarkable differences in scars after implanting threads like this. We have seen improvement definitely in wrinkles. We've seen improvement in pigmentations, brightening of the skin and glow of the skin.
Okay, so I think personally I feel that kalau you orang happy with your own skin and what you want to do for yourself, it's your own happiness. Don't think about who's gonna judge us and who's gonna think about us. If you want to do it, just do it. But if you're happy with your own skin, it's okay. Okay, we are not forcing or convincing people to force them to do something for their face. Okay, so personally for me, I'm memang acne skin. For many years, it's been 14 years I'm memang acne skin, and if I can just embrace it, I can just leave it, I can also leave it, but I don't want it. I want to make my skin better. I want to face people. I'm running like 5 different type of businesses. I meet a lot of people every day, and am I gonna see, I want them to look at my eyes and speak, not my scars or my acne, right? So for that, I want to improve myself, so I said, you know what, I am gonna do the treatments. Okay, kalau tak nak buat, jangan buat, tak apa, no one's forcing. But if you want to embrace yourself, just do it. So I have done a few treatments for my acne skin here. I cannot say, oh my god, my face is like flawless and all. The acne will never just be okay, kan? We have steps to improve it, and it improved so much. And of course, that day also I did my treatment. Tak ada merah-merah langsung. The next day, also I can still go out for my meetings with my makeup on. You see, like some people they say, oh jangan pakai makeup for the 1 week or 2 weeks and all that. But for me, once she done my treatment by herself, Dr. Alice do it herself, and next day I can go to meeting. So I think it's all about apa kita rasa nak buat, what we want to enhance in ourselves. There's no limitation for beauty. And I think beauty is the first thing orang tengok you kan, you jalan and everyone look at you, everyone want to listen to you because the beauty comes first. I know the beauty with brains is important, inner beauty is really important, but your first appearance is also very important. To look neat, to look nice, just put a little makeup on, it's beautiful. So I'm so glad semua orang kat sini with Dr. Alice, the specialist. Since small, I'm actually seeing her on TV. So at that age, she still looks so beautiful because she represents her brand. Right? So I hope all of you guys enjoy here today and get your treatment and good luck with your treatments today. Thank you.
Redness memang ada. It's because our technology is very high tech. So it's like magic actually. Those days the lasers is all like so make your skin so red and peeling, then you cannot go out in media, and I think my best products must go to the media first. Is because they are the ones who must understand and they must try it for themselves. So with that in mind, I've actually given my sunblock, which is the real size. Okay, it'll last you for a year or more because a little bit goes a long way. These are physical sunblocks, ladies and gentlemen. They are not chemical. Chemicals just last 45 minutes on your skin. And just remember, you guys, if you're going around in this hot sun, even you're sitting in the car, you will get pigmentations. Not just pigmentations, our skin will also age. So basically, this is a 45 SPF, which can support you through mild sun exposure. Ambient lighting like this can also cause pigments, and at the same time it can last you if you're 2 or 3 hours playing golf or doing stuff in the sun, going to school, going by the beach, anything. Okay, next talk about Priya's favorite initiative, which is about eco-friendly things. Let me tell you that all our products are organic. Whether it's internal or external, it's all peptide technology. Select plants and fruits that we buy from Europe or in US, and then the picking is done in US in a lab. So that is the kind of technologies we use. But we want to remind all of you to be eco-friendly. So in here, in your box, you get the non-plastic straws. So for different users, you have different straws, compliments from us. So maybe you can remember our initiative to be eco-friendly.
Am I getting a goodie bag too?
We'll think about it. Then of course, you have a lot of information about our clinics and our products as well. Those will be together with the press kit, yeah? Okay, thank you so much.